Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Gwalpar district? Chakrashila, Laukhwa, Bhairjan, Pabitra. Uddottor A. Chakrashila. Which Assam lake is an important bird area? IBA, Soinbil, Dipoibil, Sandevibil, Haflong Lake. Uddottor B. Dipoibil. Which river causes frequent floods in Barak Valley? Brahmaputra, Barak, Subansiri, Dhansiri. Uddottor B. Barak. Which is the state flower of Assam? Rose, copperful, jasmine, lotus. Uddottor B. Copperful. Which animal is the state animal of Assam? Tiger, Assam elephant, one-horn rhino, leopard. Uddottor C. One-horn rhino. Which bird is the state bird of Assam? Indian roller, great hornbill, white-winged wood duck, peacock. Uddottor C. White-winged wood duck. Which tree is known as the state tree of Assam? Sal, Hulong, teak, bamboo. Uddottor B. Hulong. Which national park is known for feral horses in Assam? Orang, Kaziranga, Dibru-Saikhowa, Manos. Uddottor C. Dibru-Saikhowa. Which Assamese town recently became a district again 2022-23? Bajali, Nalbari, Dima Hasao, Majuli. Uddottor A. Bajali. Who is the current education minister of Assam 2025? Himanta Biswa Sharma, Ronoজ Pegu, Piyush Hazarika, Bhabesh Kolita. Uddottor B. Ronoজ Pegu. Which city is proposed to be Assam's first smart city? Dibrugarh, Silchar, Guwahati, Nagaon. Uddottor C. Guwahati. Which district was newly created in Assam in 2023? Tamulpur, Bajali, Biswanath, Hojai. Uddottor A. Tamulpur. Which department implements Orunodaya scheme? Education, Health, Finance, Rural Development. Uddottor C. Finance.